Hey up guys, it's Will from Jordanbikes. Today I've got to sell this absolutely fabulous Suzuki GSXR1000. It is finished off in the MotoGP graphics and it is super lush. Really nice is this. A few cheeky extras on it, but we'll get to that in a second. Facts and figures wise, it's a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's done 2,275 miles. These guys, it's got the Yoshimura R11 exhaust. It's also got some Yoshi extras like bar ends, oil filler cap there. Also, it's got a quick shifter on this bad boy, so if you can't be bothered to clutch in, you can go up the box on this without clutching in. Cracking. Also on here, got the old tail tidy as standard. Keep that back wheel open so it looks even better. Really nice. Give it a start up for you. We have warmed it up guys, so it sounds wicked. Really nice is this. Anyway, if you've seen this fabulous bike, all you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, give us a call. We do finance, we take cash, and we absolutely love a part exchange. Come down and see us. Cheers.